The HLA attachment side discharge StrawLime model bucket allows you to manage material faster than ever before. Designed to throw straw, mulch, compost, and more from either direction with precision from your loader or skid steer. Equipped with dual hydraulic motors and a heavy-duty cleated belt, the side discharge can pick up and discharge material quickly and easily from either side, eliminating the need for awkward maneuvering, saving you even more time. The unit is fitted with an agitator and metering drum to reduce startup strain on the belt and bridging of material, ensuring a consistent flow of material to the bottom of the bucket. Capable of throwing up to 8 feet, the side discharge StrawLime model bucket allows operators to throw material over barriers and into trenches, depending on the loader's reach. Lastly, the unit features a monitoring screen, allowing operators to see the material level and provides better visibility when loading. Efficiently manage material faster with the side discharge StrawLime model bucket from HLA Attachments. For more information on this product or others, visit us at HLAattachments.com.